Palitan natin yung bulb. Yan dyan. So, pagkalag. Ito, pupul lang to using pliers. Ayan. Yan lang. So, lahat yan. Alisin natin. And after, tatanggal. Ito lang. Ito lang ilaw. Yun. Pupul natin yun. Natanggal na tong cover. And then, pull natin yung wire. Ayan. And then, ito, twist mo. Just twist it. That's it. Twist. And then, ito na. And then, pag-change, just pull the valve. Ito, T10. And then, try ko to. See ito. Let's balik lang. This one. See? Align. Sit. Balik na natin. Balik mo, twist. Twist it. Ayan, twist. Papunta sa'yo, twist. Ayan. Then, nag-lock na. So, balik na to. That's it. Press, push, lock. See? Ilaw na.